Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you're never having a bad day. It might be a major inconvenience there, minor inconvenience there, but it's not a bad day. It's just a bad couple hours. We all got to be grateful for one thing, and that's our health. If I have 1,000 AZ1s parked in my driveway and RX-7s and everything, but no solid health, what is the point? So today what we're going to do is drive back to an UpGarage. We're going to buy the adapters for the Pajero. We're going to hopefully get tires installed. Install this battery on the Wagon R. And hopefully organize and just clean all this up because I got to drive back to Tokyo. And this looks terrible. Update, so I just bought the spacers for the Pajero. We're going to continue to pray for the best. I asked them if they could put the same 165 13s on the wheels we attempted to yesterday, and he told me that the 6s are maybe too wide and they won't hold the air. So I was like, okay, forget it. At that point I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go back to Tokyo. In Tokyo I know a couple shops that I've been there a couple times where I think I can pursue them to at least try. So I said forget it. I put the wheels back in the car and he said we can try. A younger kid, he told me that he can try. So now I'm just sitting here and they're trying, which is all I want. At least try for me. And I've been here for quite some time, so I think they're succeeding. You always got to remember, in life, there's some people who just don't try. 155 65 13. Like I said, I knew they would work. Shout out to this UpGarage. Shout out to the young homies, too. I'm not going to say it's an older, younger thing, but side note. Oh my god, I didn't even realize it was on tries. Damn, Tiki, if you're watching right now. Wow, I think it's this guy's car right here. If it is, and it has 4-wheel drive. Basically, what I'm saying is don't let one bad raisin ruin the whole livestock or whatever you country people talk about. So now what we're going to do is drive to maybe one more UpGarage because I still need to find wheels for that Sambar. I haven't been able to find anything. And then we'll go to the yard. We'll successfully put these on a Firetruck. We'll successfully put the Pajero rims on. We'll successfully swap over this battery. And then at that point, we'll make a couple videos for the Patreon homies. I know Giovanni wants to see more of his Delica. I'll just get some quick 360 videos. Oh, I want to drive that Sambar for sure. I really want to drive that Subaru Sambar supercharged 2-wheel drive Kei Van that I'm not buying, unfortunately. So maybe we'll do that, or maybe I'll do that on a separate video. But now we're just going to continue to relax. I still don't get food, though, which is the only thing I need to do before I go to the yard. Something else that recently transpired is I think I need a new switch. Don't think it's my motor, but there's been a couple times where it's been not going up. Bad Daihatsu strikes again. UpGarage number 2. They actually have a lot of stuff with no tires on there. These are really nice. Speed Stars. It's almost like kind of, I wouldn't say it's worth it to ship home because they're not very K-spec. But it's just cool to have on my wheel wall at some point. Same with these. They also only have 2. Same with these. They also only have 2. Same with these. They have 4. I think they're on hold for someone. But we currently have these on the pink lemonade. And then they had the Sparkos that are 4x110, but they only have 2. I was 100% going to buy them for 8,000 yen. That's like $50. They got some 12s. Pretty expensive, though, especially with no tires. But they're brand new. Wow, they're 3.5 wide. Look at this. Wow, 3.5 wide. It's crazy that some cars even drive on the road with that. Then they have these pretty nice Jimny wheels, but I'm actually going to get these for the last Sambar. This is the last missing piece. I could finally drive over there, install everything on the car. They're a bit wide, 5.5, but not the end of the world. It's going on the K-Truck. And the tire, yeah, the tire's good. Oh, no, not these. These. Tires 155, 65. Yeah, this should be fine. I'm going to buy these right now. Let me tell them, and let's get out of here. And just like that, we're all locked and loaded. Let this a try, and Japan in general be a good representation of why I love Kei Van so much. This one is still turbo, seats 4, essentially a K truck just with a roof over it, and has all of this space. Plus, if you get a really nice one, a bunch of luxurious options like foldable mirrors, power windows all around, dual airbags, AC, double din, tack, of course, fog lights, rear wiper. List goes on. Might blow the head gasket after a week, but you just gotta take what you can get. So when I was here yesterday, I decided to start from hardest to easiest. I think today we're gonna go from easiest to hardest. We have 4 objectives to do in the next 2 hours. We're gonna install rims on a Sambar truck. That's number 1. That's easy. 1, 2, 3. Bolt pattern. Everything is gonna fit a-okay. Next, we're gonna move a bunch of cars to then get access to the Firetruck, which I would say is in the moderate level of difficulty. The bolt pattern, everything should work, but the wheels are staggered and maybe they're too wide, but I think it should be fine. After that, we're gonna install a battery, which again is gonna take 5 seconds. That should be 1, 2, 3. And then lastly, we're gonna go back to the Pajero. The weather's a lot nicer today as well. A bit breezy, but here's a quick before. I think 14x5 might be the new wave. Absolute flush fitment. These rims are actually very light, surprisingly, and thankfully I had these red lug nuts because these wouldn't have worked anymore. So I try to plan one step ahead the best I can. Look how this looks. Really good. Great news. I'm actually just gonna move this Sambar, supercharged Sambar at that, backwards to get access to the Firetruck. And hopefully I can do both of the swaps quickly, and then I'll make a separate video comparing this 1999 Subaru Sambar van to the older KV3 version. See if there's any major differences. Love the power steering. Let's just do one quick little, actually no, I'll let it warm up. So here's the before of the Firetruck. I actually bought 2 of these, both Daihatsu Hijets, and I figured one of them would sell and I'll just ship the other one home because I've always wanted one. I don't really care for the Firetruck stuff. I would probably take everything off and just use this as a cheap 4-wheel drive, low kilometer, clean, red K-Truck with a flatbed. But they actually both just recently sold, so the hunt continues. Now when it comes to the wheels, so these are going to permanently go on a Daihatsu Midget. The car is just in Tokyo, which is 6 hours away, and the wheels happen to be in Osaka, where I'm currently at. So because the bolt pattern is the same, I'm just gonna put these on here now. Shout out to Rob. And then when it gets to America, he'll just swap them over and probably take whatever's on the Midget and put it on this one. I also now want to show the tires. This is what they didn't want to do. So this is 13x6. It's a little stretch, you know, a little bit right there in comparison to this 13x5, which, I mean, honestly, they look exactly the same. But this is what was apparently too difficult to do. Again, though, no harm, no foul. Life will continue. Now, let's jack this up because I'm really looking forward to seeing what a Firetruck looks like with some nice wheels. Not the standard red. Like, these are going to go in the bed of one of the trucks. Those are garbage. I wish I could have saved those lug nuts. It would have been cool to go on the Firetruck. Hopefully from just this shot, you see the vision I was talking about. Imagine nice rims, off-road tires, light bar. Forget all that stuff. Take everything here out. We don't need any of this. Just a nice red K-Truck with clean wheels. Let's drive this a little bit, make sure the wheels and everything are good, see how it looks settled. got no rubbing. I gotta get it in the sun so you guys can really appreciate all the work that goes into the Way for the Fame garage. It doesn't matter if it's a fire truck. It doesn't matter if it's a Delica. Unfortunately, Gio couldn't put rims on your car. But if you're buying a car through me, on the contract it says you have to put new wheels if it doesn't have wheels. It's like a hidden agreement that we have together. Look at this. Come on. I know it's not saying on here it's going on a midget, but come on. Are you kidding me? So many fire trucks out there with just red steelies. And I guess if you're keeping it a fire truck, but even if I had the stuff in the back, I'd still put cool wheels. It needs to have cool wheels, just make a major difference. But this one's actually headed to New York. I'll put on the screen right now what their plans is to do with it, which is pretty cool. Now let's put this one back, and then we're gonna tackle the biggest monster. Let's see if the Pajero, we can go 3 for 3 and install all 3 wheels very easily. No major hiccups. Actually, let's install the new battery. Now that that's there, let's just make sure the car starts. Okay. Still absolutely love these Suzuki doilies. AC blows cold. I'll let it run for a couple seconds. It has a lot of gas. And now let's grab the Pajero. Let's move it. Oh, it came with a cassette. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the wheels are flush. I don't think this is going to be the permanent solution. Doesn't look bad, doesn't stick out too much, but it is much safer now. As you can see, no gap, no issues. I even put a wheel lock in here and I don't feel any rubbing. So now what we're going to do is put all 4 wheels on. We're going to finish this Pajero chapter, and today was a very good day. Let's just check up on that Wagon R. It's only been like 60 seconds. And then I think that even gives me some time to make a separate video on this bad boy. Only have to move 1 car. I already got the other. Oh, I think Giovanni wants me to drive this too. I guess I got to move 2 Jimneys to make that possible. But he's a homie and purchased a lot of cars. So let's just see. Damn, check this out. Big shout out to everybody who's purchased a car too. Like, you guys have really changed my life. I just got to be super thankful after those wheels going off. I couldn't even sleep last night from how, I wouldn't say frustrated I was, but just annoyed by the whole day yesterday. So this thing is still on, chilling. Give it a couple revs. All right, successful battery swap. But yeah, yesterday, keyword yesterday, was super frustrating. Today, amazing day. I always make fun of people who tend to live in the past, if it's an ex-girlfriend or a friend or whatever the case may be. I tell them, like, your neck doesn't hurt from always looking back. Like, we don't live in the past. It is what it is. It happened. Man, life is so funny, man. I didn't charge this last night just because I was like, oh, I didn't even use it that much. And look, it died. So I got to do it all by hand. It is what it is. Again, another very minor inconvenience. So now, let's just do it all manually. Of course, it's on a 5-lug car. I can't make this up. But it actually even gets better. Not only is it a 5-lug car, but it has adapters, so it's really 15 lug nuts I need to tie in right now. And I left the charger in my hotel room. I was like, oh, I'll probably just go to the office. Hey, can you guys charge this for a couple minutes? All right, so I'll update you guys once I'm complete. I'm gonna turn the car on. We're gonna play some music. We're gonna jam out, and we're gonna get this done. One way or the other, the mother effing Pajero will get done. I don't even know how this happened, honestly, but my favorite Way for the Fame shorts just ripped, and my new Chad Johnson jersey. But here's how the car looks. as you guys just saw. Fitment isn't too bad. I think it wouldn't be terrible if it stayed just the way it is. Sticks out a little bit, but I've definitely seen worse. We are now going to end this video here. It's 5 o'clock. Because of my gun dying, I didn't have time. But I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to go to the auction. And then we'll come back, drive the Delica. We'll drive both Sambars. And then we'll head back to Tokyo and rock out over there.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.